Hisense UltraSlim Window Air Conditioner. How to drain and clean the window air conditioner for storage. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your window air conditioner. Caution: the window air conditioner is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent product damage or personal injury. Summer's almost over, and so is the blistering heat. Luckily, your Hisense UltraSlim window air conditioner kept you cool. With the fall season just around the corner, it's time to clean and maintain your UltraSlim window air conditioner for off-season storage. Power off and disassembly. First, turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power outlet to ensure safety. Remove the window sealing kit located on each side. Slightly lift the indoor side of the unit to allow some of the condensation water to drain outdoors, preventing water from dripping onto the indoor floor during handling. Be sure to keep the unit stable to prevent slipping. For added safety, the two H brackets, shown here, must remain mounted to prevent the window air conditioner from falling while draining the unit. Relocation and Drainage. Move the unit to a location suitable for draining water, away from carpet, furniture, or fabric. Have a mop and some dry towels ready to wipe up any spills that may occur during this process. Remove the drain plug located on the outdoor side of the base to let the water drain out into a bucket or floor drain. If you're able to do this outside, even better. Tilt the unit toward the outdoor side several times to fully drain any remaining condensation water. After draining is complete, reinstall the drain plug. Cleaning the filter and components. Remove the front grille and filter. Wash the filter with warm water and a small amount of mild detergent. Rinse thoroughly and allow it to dry completely. Gently clean and remove dust from the filter, front grille, and evaporator surface with a vacuum and brush attachment or a duster. Wear safety goggles, a mask, and gloves to help prevent the inhalation of dust and debris. Caution: the front grille bends easily if not handled carefully. Reassembly. Reinstall the filter. Then reinstall the front grille. Before packing and storing the unit, ensure it is completely dry. If it's not, wipe down any visible moisture and let it sit in a cool, dry area until no water remains. The cleaning process is now complete.